If you want to know how tinters eat their lunch, here you go. You guys might not know Dean. Maybe you do. He's flat glass man. He's usually out of the shop tinting buildings. Today he's doing some admin stuff. Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We show you behind the scenes. We've got a trike here. This one got some paint protection film installed, but the rain hasn't stopped, so this one's just sitting here waiting to get picked up. Side, it's a BMW. Vinyl wrap, we went from silver to satin blue. This is an ivory color. It's getting door handles put back on today, and then it's pretty much ready to go home. We also did like a chrome delete. Or not even a chrome delete. It had old black trim that was like really faded and ugly, and we just kind of refreshed it by putting new gloss black vinyl on top. Speaking of vinyl, right behind it's a Cybertruck that's here for a vinyl wrap. This one's prepped, material is cut and ready to go, and it'll be getting wrapped today, tonight, and basically finished up. It's also getting some PPF, ceramic coating, and I think tint. There's tint on it. I think we did that. We have a Z71 Silverado getting a coating. Right behind another Z71 Silverado that just got a coating. And check out the ZR1. So we delivered a ZR1 to Maine and picked up another ZR1, but this is the OG ZR1. Apparently it's not. I guess they had some in the 70s according to the owner of this car, but this is the one that most people I think is the OG. And it's only got 10,000 miles, super, super clean car, beautiful car. And we're doing paint protection film on like the whole front half plus the doors and some other little pieces. When this one's done, we don't have to drive it back to Maine, which is exciting. Our good friend Ed brought us this Buick Envision. I think this is his daughter's new car. We did some PPF on the front of it. It's about ready to go home. And we've been seeing a lot of these Ranger Raptors. I like them. I think they did a good job with these. This one got PPF on the front end. You can see if the trim is something that's easily removable, we typically will do that to make sure that our edges wrap down inside of there. Not every shop does that kind of stuff. We did it on the hood as well. Outside we have a new Tacoma. They did a freaking awesome job with these, the new redesign. It got window tint. It's ready to go home. Right beside it is a Dodge Rumblebee. These were always cool trucks. It got window tint and it's next in line for paint protection film. This Jeep is our friend's, took some damage from an impact, and we have a body shop fixing a fender flare for it before we put new PPF on. And this Dodge Ram was back for a PPF checkup, so we got that done. It's ready to go home. And the GMC beside it, we had previously ceramic coated. It also sustained some damage and came to us after the collision shop for us to recoat some pieces. Not sure if that's done yet or not, but it will be this week. And Dean really wants a minivan. So Dean got a rental minivan, as he has in the past for other jobs, because our flat glass van is wrecked. Somebody smacked into us, and that's the official police report. Somebody literally smacked into us, smacked the truck into a guardrail. We don't know why. Maybe they were trying to get a payday, but it didn't work, so that's exciting. Our van is getting fixed up at the collision shop. They always do an excellent job. And last but not least, we've got a Challenger RT here. We did an annual inspection on this for a ceramic coating that we did in a year's past. So that's it for what's happening at LATROBE. Let's check in with the other shops.
How's it going, guys? The flat glass team is here with a couple different projects going on. We have a bunch of new push bars for all the emergency vehicles down at our other shop that we're getting ready to transport down there. So Joe, Chuck, and Steve can put those on. And we're also getting ready to finish a security film project in New Kensington today. So can't quite tell you where that's at for legal reasons, but we're doing sealant on a bunch of windows and adding on a little bit more tint to finish it up, and then we'll be good to go.
See you next week.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Next up is a Porsche 911. This one is in for our full front paint protection film package, full polish, and 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next up is another Porsche from our friends at Swickley Car Store. This was in the shop last month for front window tint and full front paint protection film, and it's back in the shop today for a polish and 4-year ceramic coating. Next up is a 2024 Bronco Sport. We are tinting the 2 front windows and a full windshield on this vehicle, along with a PPF wear and tear package. Our full wrap of the week is this brand new Rivian R1S. As you can see, it is a stealth wrap. We're doing our XPEL stealth paint protection film on the entire vehicle, coating all exterior surfaces, and tinting the 2 front windows in a 20% Prime XR tint. Next up is almost a full wrap on this Canyon Denali. We're doing the entire front, the entire sides, A-pillars, partial roof, and the top portion of the tailgate. Lastly, in the PPF bay is this Hyundai Santa Fe. We tinted the 2 front windows to match the back section. We are doing a full front paint protection film along with the wear and tear kit. And outside we have obviously a Tesla Cybertruck. This was in for the 2 front windows, 20% to match the factory tint. We also tinted the entire windshield of this vehicle in 55%. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, what's going on today? This is Kayla here with Blackout Tinting South Florida, and today I'm going to be showing you what's in the shop, so come on. Today here we have is a 2024 Tesla Model 3 Performance. We already prepped this car. We're going ahead and tinting the full vehicle in 20% with the Prime XR and tinting the windshield at 55% in the XR Plus. As you can see, we have already laid the film down and we are in the process of heat shrinking it currently. This is our tinter Alfredo. We already computer cut the film. Now he goes ahead and hand cuts it behind it just to make sure the measurements are as accurate as possible. Tesla Model 3. As you can see, we've already removed the bumper and doors because this one is getting a full black vinyl wrap. This is Kayla, she's our vinyl installer. She's done multiple cars for us. She travels between Pittsburgh and Florida. As you can see right now, she is vinyl wrapping the door jambs as well. This is a 2025 Rivian RS1. It is fully electric. Now we are going ahead and doing a full vehicle tint on it and ceramic coating. As you can see, we already went ahead and ceramic coated all of the wheels. Now we are currently working on the full body ceramic coating today.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, and we'll see you next week.